Welcome to Whiteboard Marketing, where we simplify marketing with easy to understand whiteboard videos, and today I'll be sharing with you what is Cornerstone content. So let's get started. Cornerstone content is also known as evergreen content and is the core of your website. It consists of the best, most important articles on your site and can have pages or posts you want to rank highest in search engines. Also, Cornerstone articles are usually relatively long, informative, and combine insights from different blog posts and cover everything that is important about a certain topic. Their focus is to provide the best and the most complete information on a particular topic, rather than to sell products in a very short pitch. Still, they should reflect your business or communicate your mission perfectly with your target audience. So, why are Cornerstone articles so important for SEO? Well, Cornerstone content plays a significant role in any SEO strategy. It can be hard to rank for search terms that are very popular, but a Cornerstone approach can help you tackle those competitive search terms easily. If you write a lot of articles on a similar subject, you need to tell Google which of them is most important. If you don't, you will be eating away your own chances to rank well in search results. And by providing the correct internal structure between the posts, you will be able to tell Google which article is most important to you. Next, let's discuss what is the link structure for Cornerstones. A Cornerstone article should have prominent place on your website. Ideally, someone should be able to click straight away from your home page to your Cornerstone article. Also, all your posts about similar topics should link back to their corresponding Cornerstone article. As your site develops, you will write tons of new blog posts approaching that topic from other angles, each one linking back to your Cornerstone article. This internal linking will increase the chances of Cornerstone content articles ranking in Google searches. For example, if you link highly competitive blog post on your website's main menu, it will have higher priority as compared to normal published posts. Next, how to optimize your Cornerstone articles. Though Cornerstone articles can help you dominate your search results quite easily, it does require some work. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a short 5-step strategy to create a good Cornerstone content strategy for your website. Step number 1. Think about your keywords. You have to decide on essential keywords you want to rank for. Your Cornerstone articles should be optimized for the head or most competitive keywords. So be sure to carry out some keyword research by using professional tools like SEMrush or free alternatives like Google Keyword Planner. Step number 2. Choose your best post. Go through the posts that are already optimized for keywords and surround the most important keywords inside them. Ask yourself, which post do you think is the best, and that will be your Cornerstone from now on. Step number 3. Rewrite it. So, rewrite your Cornerstone article, and in this process, make it awesome and SEO friendly. As Cornerstone articles are usually lengthy and pay extra attention to readability, you need to make sure that you use a lot of headings. And an index at the beginning of the long Cornerstone article is also a great idea that you can employ. You should expand your article and make sure it is totally up to date. And don't forget to rewrite and update that article regularly. Step number 4. Optimize your other posts on long tail variants. The other blog posts that you have on your website which are similar to your topic can help your Cornerstone article to optimize for long tail variants of the head keyword. This way you can help boost your traffic for that Cornerstone article. Step number 5. Linking from tail to head. Now you have to tell Google that your new Cornerstone article is most important article on that topic on your site. So don't forget to link from all long tail articles to your Cornerstone article. With that, I hope this video was helpful to you and served value. If you love my content, be sure to smash that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do, as it keeps me motivated and helps me create more content like this for you.